everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to get your repost button feature. But first, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you'll get notified with our new videos. So what is a repost button feature? Well, basically, it's a quick way for you to share your TikTok videos. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure that our app is updated. So now let's go to our Google Play Store. And then let's type on the search bar TikTok. And then as you can see here, my app is updated. And if your app isn't updated, just go ahead and update your app. And then after doing that, we can go back and open our TikTok account. And so from the home page, we could go to our profile page. So here, let's go to the three bar button at the top right corner and then click on the settings and privacy. And then let's scroll down and look for the cache. So here we can free up the space, but don't worry in clearing up the space. It won't delete any of your videos, just merely your preloaded information and your search history. So there's nothing wrong on clearing up the space. And then let's go back to our profile page. And here, if you can't see the repost button feature, then we can proceed with our second option. So yeah, let's go to settings and privacy again. And let's look for the support option. Let's just scroll down and look for the support option. So here we can report the problem. Okay, let's just wait for a minute. Okay, so here we can report the problem. Like we can type repost button feature not showing up. Then we can report that. After reporting the problem, we can go back to our profile page. And then after doing that, if still the repost button feature doesn't appear, then you can also reinstall the application. It's also one way to resolve the problem. But if after doing all that options and still the repost button features doesn't appear on your TikTok account, then let's proceed with our last option. Let's go to our settings and privacy again. And let's click on privacy. So these options might not work in all regions, just on some regions or locations. Well, in some regions, the repost options shows, or you can see it under the like videos. But as you can see here, it doesn't appear on mine. But if in your area it appears, then you can click on the repost button. And then you can click on the repost button feature, and then you can go back and you can share now a video. As you can see, there's the repost button at the top left. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. And if you have any questions or comments, just please comment it down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in our next video.